Welcome sa ating episode 3 ng Real Series, Mutual Fund Made Simple. Alam mo ba na hindi lang iisang klase ang mutual fund? May 4 na common types at bawat isa may kanya-kanyang purpose. Equity fund, mostly invested in stocks, mataas ang potential return, pero mataas din ang risk. Example, pwede kang kumita ng 10 to 20% in a year, pero may chance rin na bumaba ang value ng investment mo. Bagay ito sa long-term investors at kayang mag-risk. Bond fund, invested sa utang ng gobyerno or companies. Mas stable, mas less ang risk, pero mas maliit din ang kita. Usually around 4 to 6% per year. Perfect for conservative investors. Balanced fund, halo ng stocks at bonds. Good balance ng risk at growth. Ideal ito kung gusto mo ng moderate risk investment. Money market fund, invested sa short-term time deposits or government securities. Super low risk, pero mababa rin ang kita, around 2 to 3% per year. Gamitin mo ito sa short-term goals like emergency fund or savings. Tip: piliin ang fund based sa goal mo at risk tolerance. Kung di ka sure, pwede kang mag-consult sa isang licensed financial advisor or you can message me. And yes, mutual funds are legal and regulated by the SEC. Bukas sa episode 4, pag-uusapan natin ang pros and cons ng mutual funds para alam mo kung bagay ba talaga sa'yo. Follow mo na para updated ka lagi.